everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. I have a haul to share with you. And welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you showed up to see what I found at some garage sales this past weekend. Now, nothing is processed. I am going to get everything washed and steamed and photographed and listed, and it will all be listed in my Poshmark Closet by the time you see this video. But I thought, you know what? It's a very small haul, so let me just share it with you before I get busy with this. Welcome to my channel if you're brand new. I'm so glad that you are here, and I really hope that you will subscribe and join me for another video. I love to share my thrift finds with you. So if you do enjoy thrift hauls and everything reselling, please be certain to subscribe. To my returning subscribers, hi everyone. I'm so glad that you showed up. I did mention in my last video that I was going garage selling. It was so much fun. There was a big community-wide garage sale in one of the only gated communities in my little town, and there was also a garage sale on my street. Yes, and I put that one off till last because I thought I would have a better chance at the community, the big garage sale. And guys, let me tell you, that big garage sale, I didn't do very well there, but I did get one thing that will pay for this entire haul over and over again. Everything is bread and butter in this haul. If you are interested in seeing what I picked up, for most of the items are $1 per piece. I spent $18 on this haul. I think I got, about 14 pieces, because my husband did pick up 2 Pittsburgh Steelers collectible pictures, and I don't have those to share with you guys. They're football players, and he got them for 50 cents a piece, and that must have been a bargain. Anyway, let me get into this haul. I looked through so much clothing and really didn't find much, but I'm going to share my finds with you nonetheless. This is just a tank top. It's a racerback tank top. It's almost a burnout. It is pretty thin, striped blue tank top. The brand on this is Lorna Jane Life, and this is a size large. I am not familiar with this brand. I heard some of my friends talking about this brand and raving about this brand, so I found a small lot of these and I thought I would give them a try. That needs to be washed, and I will do the comps on it later. I'm just sharing with you what I found, what I brought home. The price was right on all of these. Now, this is another tank top by the same brand, the Lorna Jane. This one is a size medium. 2 of them were size medium and 2 are size large. But Lorna Jane, size medium. This one is really cute. You already saw that ombre effect on it, but it also has it's a chevron pattern, but there's little dots. So that is going to be a very cool top to work out in, or just to wear, and it's stretchy too, to wear in the summertime. Okay, this is not Lorna Jane, and I might keep this one for myself. We'll see. It's gray, which is not my thing, but this is a nice lightweight summer tank top, and this is by the brand Theory. This one is a size large, and did you notice it does have that it's a mixed material. I'm going to see what the material is. I didn't even look. This is Tencel, which is nice, cotton, and silk. So yeah, this is silk. Okay, so this is a special care tank top, but yeah, it's in really nice condition, and it's size large. So here's another Lorna Jane. This one is a heathered gray cotton tank, and it does say winning on the front of it, and that is all sequined and beaded, and this one is Lorna Jane size large. So it looks like that. These are all in really good condition. This one is another Lorna Jane. What size are you? This one is also a size large. So the first 2 must have been the mediums, and this one is all black mesh. Now, I believe that this is actually the Lorna Jane logo, because it is what is on this little metal logo piece here. But yeah, this is practically all mesh except for that little panel of fabric right there. So a black mesh racerback tank top. And I brought this home, and I think this is going to do really good this season. This is a black dress looks like this. It does have the built-in bra in it, and this one is, where is it? This one is Athleta, and it's a size medium. Athleta, size medium. This dress almost feels like a swimsuit fabric. It's like a ponte knit, but it's in really nice condition, built-in bra, cute little black dress. Lint does not stick to it, so that is a bonus. Up next are the shoes that I picked up, and you know I looked at every single pair of shoes, except for the men's. I passed right by the men's shoes. I did decide to give these a try, and they do need a good wipe down. None of the shoes have been processed. I haven't cleaned anything. I just wanted to share it with you. These are a really cute, super lightweight wedge sandal, and this is an ankle strap, and it's got a nice fastener on it too. Yeah, you don't have to actually buckle it, but you can adjust it. And this is a Croc. Can you see that? Crocs, and what size are these? Oh my gosh, the size has something. These are a 7. The size has some on it. So yeah, these are in desperate need of a wipe down, and I think that this is kind of a sparkly strap here. Wonder if these are faux leather or real leather. I'll have to look into that. I don't know, but let's see, does it say there? No, it says fabric made in China. Maybe that is fabric. And these, oh, I already told you they're size 7. Okay, next pair of shoes. The last sale that I went to, the one that was on my street, I stopped by that one before I came home. That looked like it was a multi-family or more than one seller, because they had different areas and different prices. So I did purchase all the shoes that I bought from one seller, and she had so many shoes in box. Now they're not new, but they do come with the box. You can see right there, this is a pair of Clarks. These are a pair of Clarks, and they are a cork T-strap wedge sandal. They're in really good condition. And they're just Clarks. They're not Clarks Artisan. They look like this. And it's almost like a rattan or a straw on the vamp there, the strap. So, and there's also a little bit of color. I don't know if my camera will pick it up in the cork. Let me see, because I do have the box. Maybe it says what it is. If it does, it's covered up. But the sale price on these came from Dillard's. There's that Dillard's. And there is a sales tag on it that says these were at one time $39.99. So these are definitely worth the $1 that I spent on them. I'll scrub them down and get them listed. And I bought one more pair in box. And this is a brand. This is also sold at Dillard's. These are Antonio Milani. Let me see. The price on these was $29. It's really faded. $29.70. That was the clearance price on these. And I was dying to pick up shoes, so I did decide to get these. These really need to be cleaned. And these are a 7.5. And it's silver, but it's almost like a pewter silver. Square toe, kitten heel, sling bag shoe. You see that? Oh my gosh. I think these are so pretty, and they will be absolutely beautiful with a little cleanup on them. There is a little ding right here. It's kind of an unusual heel too, isn't it? So, and these are leather bottoms on them. These are leather shoes. They're really cute and maybe perfect for wedding season, right? To wear as a wedding guest, because that's a really sensible heel. You could dance all night in that heel. So I brought them home. I am intentionally saving the most expensive purchase till the last. I picked up some purses. Let me know what you think about these purses. Would you have picked them up? They don't have brands, or, well, one of them is branded, but this is a black straw or rattan bag, circular bag. You hold it like this. I did share this on my Instagram, and guys, I actually carried this. I wore this on my husband's birthday. We went out for a nice dinner with some friends and family, and yeah, this bag matched my outfit perfectly, but it's It's not a crossbody bag, but it is a nice accessory to wear with, you know, fun summer outfits. That's what the inside looks like. It's very, very clean. And you might be wondering, Kelly, did you spill anything in there? What I did, I actually put my belt bag right inside this because I didn't want to wear a belt with my dress, but it worked perfectly. I put my little bitty belt bag inside this and I carried it. So this has no brand on it, but I thought it was really cute, very unique, and I'm gonna try to sell it. So I lied. These last two bags are branded, but okay, you'll see what I mean. I love this bag. I love this bag. I had to rescue it and bring it home. Somebody would have probably rescued it. This is a completely vegan bag, vegan faux fur and vegan leather on it, but this bag is in terrific condition, and this is Target. This is a new day, and this bag is not been used much, but can you see that on the inside? And do you want to see a new day there? There it is, a new day, Target. When I got it home and I started looking at it, is that gold? Yeah, I think that is gold, not rose gold hardware on this. What is this? I could not figure that out. And I did Google this bag and I could not find it, but I don't know what those things are. Is something missing from my bag? It could be. I don't know. I mean, it goes all the way through, if you can see that there. This is a bag I could actually see keeping for myself just because it is so very fun. I bought this to sell online. I really like it. Would you wear this in the spring or summer? Probably not, right? This would be better suited for fall. This feels amazing. I love this bag. So yeah, I got this one, a new day. There you go. We're close to the end, guys. This is the final bag that I picked up. This is a tote bag. This is Victoria's Secret. This is vegan leather. And, you know, look at that. Look at that metallic, a rainbow metallic at that tassel. It is so cute. This bag needs to be wiped down. It'll be really easy to clean, but it's in good condition. Now the inside is not lined, and the inside, it's dirty right now. It won't be dirty when I get it listed. This will be really easy to clean out with just a baby wipe, to be honest with you. It looks like just, yeah, maybe I'll vacuum it because there might be some sand in there. Maybe somebody used this as a beach bag, but it's a nice size tote, and I don't know. I got it. The price was right. All right, I changed my mind. I couldn't wait. I have to show you this. I spent $3 on this. This is the most expensive item in the entire haul, and this is by the brand Bisou, and it's a size large. This is a black acrylic sweater with a star on it. And you might be surprised that I bought this, but guys, anything with a star print on it sells for me very well. Now I did take into account that it is a size large, and I think that will help it sell. It is a generous size large at that. This one may not sell until fall. I would kind of like to keep this for myself. The problem is I have a white dog, and this one needs to be washed. I will flat dry it, and I will give it a good sweater shaving. It will be as good as new when either I wear it or I sell it. Now, the last thing that I found, I saw it was at the community garage sale. I saw it on the floor at the women's sale, and I beelined to these shoes. And as you can see, I wasn't picking much up, so guess how happy I was when I found these Birkenstocks. But guess how happy, I left the price tag on these, guys. This was one of those sales where they priced everything. She had these priced at $1, $1 for these Birkenstocks. So these have not been processed either. I will have to give them a wipe down, clean them up a little bit. They are a size 38. I haven't even looked up what the style name is. And yeah, these need a good cleaning. I see some dust on them. They were in someone's closet for a while, but the integrity of the shoe is good. The soles look pretty good. And oh, there's a little separation right here, which I will note that in my listing. I see that right there. Little bit of separation in that cork. I should check this one better. And this one looks good. So even with this separation, I will be able to sell these, and I will probably pay for this haul 3 times with just the sale of these Birkenstocks. I love selling Birkenstocks. They're a quick flip. And that's everything I found while I was out garage sailing. My husband and I spent about an hour and a half going from sale to sale. Now, I'll tell you one thing. My husband is a social butterfly. He likes to make friends with everyone he meets, and I was like more concerned with sourcing, like, come on, they don't even have clothes here, let's go, their prices are too high. But it probably took a little bit longer than had I gone by myself, because I would just pass by sales that didn't have clothing, to be honest with you, or shoes to look at. But yeah, it was fun. It was a really nice change up in the way that I source. It was nice to get outside, get a little sunshine, see some different neighborhoods in my town, and I picked up a little inventory I should be able to flip for profit. Have you been out to any garage sales yet? If you have, I would love to hear how that is working for you. I'll tell you what, you just cannot beat the cost of goods. Well, I don't know. Would you pay $3 for this sweater? I did. It's mine, and I'm confident I can sell this sweater. Guys, thank you so much for joining me once again. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.